Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gonna Guitar. We have Lee Brice here with a song called Cry. So if you have any sort of relationship problems, then you just phone Lee Brice. He brings in his band and he fixes it for you. So that's what the song pretty much is about when you watch the music video. Fun one. Anyway, let's go into the Cry song. We're gonna do that without any capo here. And we have 4 chords to handle. So let's start with those. We're gonna use the F first, which is the bar chord. So you place your index finger on the first fret and you push down all strings there. And then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Then we have the D minor. So it goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. And I like the transition here from F to D minor and just focus on the 2nd fret G. They have that note in common, so you have that as a thing to work around. All right, that's the F to D minor. Next is the A sharp sus version of it. So you're gonna use a bar again here on the 1st fret, and you push down 5 strings this time. So you don't have to push down the last E string in the bass there, but you also have to give a 3rd D there and a 3rd G. A touch. All right, that's the A sharp sus version of it, and then we have the final C chord, and that goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And this one has 1 chord progression played in the same way. Okay, so we have the chord progression that goes F, D minor, A sharp, C, and F again. So it both starts and ends on the F chord. We can play that in different ways. We're gonna look into this one first. Okay, so you're gonna play, if you go to the F chord, down, clap, down, short pause, and then clap. So down, pause, clap, down, pause, clap. So if you go with that strumming version, you're gonna play F2, 2, then D minor, 2, 2, then A sharp, 1, C, 1, and F2. And then you start again on F, the second round. So you're gonna play like that through the entire song. But you can also go a little more on working action to it. So you're gonna play down, up, clap, up. If you go back to F chord again, you're gonna play like this. So down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up. It's more straightforward. If you follow that, then you will double up in the amounts of times you're gonna play the strumming. So F, 4, D minor, 4, A sharp, 2, C, 2, and back to F4, like this. 3, 4, D minor, 2, 3, 4, A sharp, 2, C, 2, F, 2, 3, 4, again. Alright guys, so that is Lee's song called Cry. Everybody needs to cry sometime. So yeah, if you want to thank me, then make sure you like this tutorial. Maybe you can leave me a comment, and the subscribe button is not far away, so make sure you be a member of this family, and let's move on together. Till next time guys, play tuned.